Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a rear roller mounting pin on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. You will need to pull the refrigerator away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. To do this, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the base grill. Pull the base grill forward to remove. Use a 1/4-inch socket or wrench to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the refrigerator away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch socket or a nut driver to unthread the screws to release the rear access panel. Lift and support the side of the appliance you're replacing the mounting pin on. Use a flathead screwdriver to bend back the retaining tab holding the roller mounting pin in place. Remove the old pin. Install the new rear roller mounting pin by positioning the roller in the bracket, then insert the pin to hold it in place. Bend the retaining tab in to secure the pin. Remove the support and gently lower the appliance. Reposition the access panel and rethread the screws. Once the refrigerator has been moved back into place, rotate the brake feet clockwise until both are in contact with the floor. Snap the base grill into place. Rethread the screws to secure the base grill. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.